Guys, it's James on my YouTube channel. So, just fixing the camera. Right. So, I was just I was going to start doing part 2 and it just went on me. I had no storage space on my phone, so I had to go thingy it again. Right, so, we are at Lexington, where the Minutemen told me, this was not in one of my videos, that there was loads of ghouls here, and we don't want to go into that shop because I already know what's in there. To be honest, I don't even need to go into Lexington. Let's just place all these... Alright. Smells like rats. Well, fucking damn right it does. Frick's that? Right, we can try and avoid Lexington if we want to. What the hell? Out of this area. Ah, this is a redstone. Best we get shelter. Let's go back to this problem area. We might be able to do something because I'm not just going to sit there and get rats on. It's coming up now. This place is full of rats. Whoa! What's with the bombs? Let's change our places. Okay. This is a bad storm. That's going to be solved. Not damn right, all those. Try and push forward because it's not really going to do anything to me. I'm going to have to fast travel someplace down to get rid of this redstone. You can try and survive it, it's not going to go well. My rad is already building up. Don't know what the hell this is meant to be. It's meant to be, I bet it's something to do with Lexington. What's this?
Please, I'm so thirsty.
Oh, you know.
Spare any water.
Nope. Sorry.
I see.
You know what I say? You're deaf. Get wrecked. Alright, you done I got wrecked. Don't you dare pull out that thing. Whatever that was. Pipe pistol plus, okay. Oh, you got wrecked. Very good for you. And the redstones are very good. Let's move on someplace else. Oh, I know again. Oh, I know, let's just get that done now. Right, I'm running out of ammo. So we're gonna have to do something. What's this? Damn right, let's just play this.
Oopsie. No. Little fingers away. There we go. Okay.
Just look off my life. Well, off God's way.
Yay. Hi, honey. Listen. I don't think that Sean and I need to tell you how great of a father you are. But we're going to anyway. Isn't that right? You are kind and loving. Funny. That's right. And patient. So patient. Patience of a saint, my mom used to say. Sean and us all being home together, it's been an amazing year. But even so, I know our best days are yet to come. There'll be changes, sure. Things we need to adjust to. You'll rejoin the civilian workforce, and I'll shake the dust off my law degree. But everything we do, no matter how hard, we do it for our family. Now, say goodbye, Sean. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Come on. Bye, honey. We love you.
Well, I kind of see that you love me. Okay. I already knew that. I've known that for ages. But okay. Anyway. Let's see. Oh, look what I've got. Deathclaw meat, and I've also got a Deathclaw hand. If I can find one. Oh, sweet one. Right, I could do with some getting rid of rats, but that's not really irrelevant now. I just need to find a gun that's actually got. Yeah, I can try. I'll go look at my 10mm to see what's got on. It hasn't got much ammo. What about my pipe also? That's got enough. 12 and 8 all done. That'll be some settlers, we can try and negotiate with them. I think we can anyway, I hope we can. So I don't want to have to kill these settlers. Although I have killed one. I mean, that's beyond the point. Hello, ghoul. Just what dog you found? Nice ghoul for me to kill. No, I don't want that one, I want this one. That's how you kill guys. Yeah, you got a silver tail. It doesn't matter, it's only a couple of goals. Sometimes there's a big hold of them anyway. What the hell are these then? Some ladies, yep, it is. Oh, shit! Oh, you give me no choice. Put your damn misery. Oh, my dog's at least. Let's help the doggy. Here. You can't say that. Dog meat didn't try. This place doesn't look like a nice place to be. It's ghouliness. It's got a lot of stuff in it, surely. But if anything, that's what I'm gonna search this place for.
Nothing there now.
Okay, they own something. Okay, I'm gonna have to do one. Look into some ghouls around here.
Shit's an ambush. I must have a concussion. Don't be there.
45. 45 rounder. Cool. Thought I knew what it is. think we can carry him going.
Time to reel him in.
Alright. Now do you want to start shooting at me, do you? Oh my god. Me. Guys, that guy got absolutely in damn indeed right. Okay, that bandit got wrecked, or whoever it was. Oh, yeah. Bandit Raider. However, there you have. No longer let the Minutemen move from this place. She's got a stim pack. She's got a stim pack. That's rats, that's rats. My rat isn't actually getting that out of control. We'll never left on. These raiders should know better. Well, that's an access out of the city. So we're gonna take a look in here, come on. Before we head off into the open world of Fallout 4. Oh, looks like we're getting low here. This is part 2, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. But we're not over here. Not yet. Not yet. Yep, well, that's our way out of Lexington, and I will end it here, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.